Let's try on some outfits. Piper can't pick one. But Susie doesn't need to pick one. Her outfit never changes. Class, here are our new students, Susie and Piper. Hi! This is for you, an apple. An apple? Really? Guard! Now these are apples. They are exclusive. Wow. That's sweet. Thanks. Now take your seats. Hi, everyone. Can I go? Thanks. I haven't counted my allowance for a long time. Let's see what I have. Oh. Who wrote loser on my desk? Rubber bands? Got it! That's a nice catch! Twist rubber bands together. Shape a ball. Fasten it on the end of a pencil like an eraser. I'll adjust it a little bit. Here! Much better! All you need is love! Yay! A break! There's gonna be a test! I have an idea! A banana! Great! I'll have half. Susie won't mind. What? My banana! What about my cheat sheets? It's over! Susie, thank you for your banana. Piper? Another test. Good thing I have a cheat sheet. I don't remember anything. Piper, help me! Do you need an answer? Here, I copy.
Yeah!
A gold bar! Oh yeah! I'm rich! No more tests! No classes! I can do whatever I want! This gold is mine! Professor Frank is a loser! I've always wanted to do this! Alex, how dare you! Here's an apple! I'm getting out of here! Bye, losers! What? A souvenir? This is a disaster! Hi, I'm back. I'll clean this. That was really awkward. I can still take my test together. I got overexcited. Susie, do you like my new pom-poms? They're gold. Give me an A. Oops. Give me a B. Piper, let's hide your pom-poms before something bad happens. Piper, cheerleading isn't your cup of tea. The workout was too intense. I need a shower. Help me unzip my dress. Girls, there's a surprise for you. My clothes are gone. Guard! Do something! Right on it! Susie! Our uniform! It's gone! How come? Piper, I have an idea! Guys, it's Alex! That's hilarious! Alex, did you have fun? The cheerleading uniform looks good on you! And this trash bag really suits me! But we should change! Help! It won't happen again! I am so nervous! I spent the whole night learning the routine. Ready? Get it together! What? Oh no! My pom-poms! They are ruined! Gold confetti! It's over! I won't get on the team! Don't worry, there's always a way out. I know how to make new pom-poms. Cut the bottom off a pack of plastic bags. and the edges. Cut fringe, leaving the part with the handles intact. Connect a few packs of bags. Tape the handles. Separate the fringe. Wrap the tape with foam paper. Make 2 cheerleading pom-poms. Whoa! Thank you, Susie! You saved me! I'm happy I could help! The topic of the class is decimals. I'll highlight the topic. Paint a marker gold. Cover it with rhinestones. Whoa! So sparkly! I have something sparkly too. My nail polish. It's pearly. And it also can highlight notes. Nice try, Susie. What? My precious marker doesn't work anymore. It's useless.
Wow!
Piper, let's swap markers. Mine works great. Fine. So much gold. I hope it's real. Piper, how much does this marker cost? If you're curious, it's about... And that's it? Oh no, I'm not done yet. Much better. To be exact, it's like... Piper, great deal. Thanks. You deserve the highest grade. Now I'm rich. No more stupid students. Loser. I'm leaving this college forever. I'll live an exciting, expensive life. Professor, I need you. Your signature goes here. Did you change your hairstyle? Oh, Professor Frank! Bye, everyone! Did you see that? Professor Frank is full of surprises! I thought that only happens in the movies. Who will come up? Susie! Me? That's not a marker! That's cool! I can't write with it! Stupid jokes! Poor Susie! Guard! Whoa! A gold board? Thanks! Piper, you're the best! Even coal works like a marker on this board. Where's my eraser? This is for you! Cut a diamond out of an eraser using a template. Define facets with paint. Fasten it to a ring blank. Whoa! I have never been proposed to before, but we don't know each other. Oh, Susie, that's my bodyguard. And that's just an eraser. An eraser, of course. I almost said yes to being Miss Bodyguard. Finally, I got my package. Oh yeah, this bag is amazing. What do you think, Susie? Yeah, it's cool. I got a package too. A DIY kit. Cut 2 identical pieces from cardboard. Attach a cardboard bottom and assemble the pieces to make a bag. Paint. Draw stitches with a marker. Add a logo. My new purse is done. Cool, right? Very unique, that's for sure. I need a laptop to take notes. 2 would be even better. Wow, Piper! I have a pretty notebook for notes. Let me see. Julie, what did you do? Whoops, I didn't mean to. My notebook is ruined. Susie, give it to me for a sec. Prime a hardcover notebook. Paint it silver. Apply a layer of soap foam. Rub it with a wax candle. Paint it a dark color. Whoa! So pretty! Thanks, Piper! What? Stupid butterfly! The map says we need to go straight. Whatever. should be here. Uh-huh. I'll leave a money trail so we can go back. Piper, where are you? More money! Today is my lucky day. Good afternoon. Whoops! Wrong room again. All classes are canceled today. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us which student you like more. Rich or broke? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.